Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarada Devi Maths Classes. Today we will solve questions from 8 onwards in exercise 1C of rational and irrational numbers. 8th question is, if x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find first sub question 1 by x, second x plus 1 by x, third x plus 1 by x whole square. So the answer for the first sub question, we are given x. So x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. We want to find out 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So roots are there in the denominator. So we want to rationalize the denominator. So let us take the conjugate and multiply both the numerator and denominator with that. So 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2, then in the numerator also we had to multiply. So 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Now this is equal to 1 into, this is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square. So 2 root 3 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by, here 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, so into 3 minus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2, so into 2. Now this is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 4 into 3 is 12, 12 minus 8, that is 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 4. Again if you take 2 outside of the numerator, will get 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by 4. Here 2 and 4 can be cancelled 2 times, here 1. So this is equal to root 3 minus root 2 by 2. That is 1 by x is root 3 minus root 2 by 2. In the second sub question, we want to find out x plus 1 by x. We are given x as 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. We found 1 by x in the first sub question as root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. So this is equal to, we can take 2 as common denominator. So 2 into 2, 4 root 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 2. Here this is 2 by 2 is 1. 1 into root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2. This is equal to 4 root 3 plus root 3, so 5 root 3. Then 4 root 2 minus root 2, that is 3 root 2 divided by 2. This is the answer to the second sub question. Now the third sub question is x plus 1 by x whole square. Here we know x plus 1 by x is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2. So that whole square. Now this is equal to, here this is 5 root 3 square plus 3 root 2 square plus 2 into 5 root 3 into 3 root 2 divided by 2 square, that is 4. That is equal to 5 square is 25, root 3 square is 3, so into 3. Now that plus 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2 plus 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 into root 3 into root 2, that is root 6 divided by 4. That is equal to 25 into 3 is 75 plus 9 into 2 is 18 plus 30 root 6 divided by 4. Now that is equal to 93. 75 plus 18. That plus 30 root 6 divided by 4. So this is the answer to the third sub question. Ninth question is, if x is equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube. So here we are given x as 1 minus root 2. So let us find out 1 by x at first. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1 minus root 2. We can rationalize the denominator. So what is the conjugate? 1 plus root 2 in the numerator also we have to multiply 1 plus root 2. That is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by, here this is a minus b into a plus b form. So a square minus b square. So 1 square minus root 2 square. That is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 minus root 2 square is 2. So this is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by minus 1. So we can write it like this, minus of 1 plus root 2. Now we have to find out x minus 1 by x at first. So x minus 1 by x. We found the value of 1 by x. We are given the value of x. So x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 minus root 2 minus, now what is 1 by x? Minus of 1 plus root 2. Now that is equal to 1 minus root 2, then this minus into minus will give you plus, then 1 plus root 2. Here this minus root 2 plus root 2 we can cancel. So that is equal to 2. So x minus 1 by x is 2. We want to find out x minus 1 by x whole cube. Therefore, x minus 1 by x whole cube, that is equal to right side cube, that is 2 raised to 3. What is 2 raised to 3? That is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 8. Now the 10th question is, if x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find x square plus 1 by x square. So in such questions, first of all, what we have to do is x plus 1 by x whole square we have to find out. What is that? A plus b whole square form. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. That is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus this x and x we can cancel. So what is remaining? 2. What we want to find? We want to find out this x square plus 1 by x square. So this alone we have to keep on one side. So that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, what is on the left side? X plus 1 by x whole square. Now we want to take this 2 to the other side. So minus 2. So we want to find out this 1 by x at first. So what is 1 by x? 1 by x is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Because we are given this x as 5 minus 2 root 6. So at first we can write like this, given x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Then that is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. What is the conjugate? That is 5 plus 2 root 6. Then the numerator also we have to multiply 5 plus 2 root 6. Then that is 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by a minus b into a plus b form. So 5 square minus 2 root 6 square. That is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 square is 25 plus 2 square is 4 into root 6 square is 6, and that is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Yes, here this minus is there. So divided by 25 minus 24. That is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 1. That is the same as 5 plus 2 root 6. Now let us find out this x plus 1 by x. 1 by x we got, x we know. So x plus 1 by x, that is equal to, value of x is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 1 by x. Value of 1 by x we found it as 5 plus 2 root 6. So on removing the bracket we will get 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6. Here this minus 2 root 6 and plus 2 root 6 we can cancel. Now what is remaining? 5 plus 5. That is equal to 10. Actually we want to find out x square plus 1 by x square. That this x square plus 1 by x square we arrived in the previous page as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So we found this x plus 1 by x as 10. So substituting that here we will get 10 square minus 2, that is 100 minus 2, which is 98. That is the answer. And the 11th question is, show that 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here we have to take this LHS left hand side, and solving that we have to show that that is the same as the right hand side, that is 5. So let us take LHS. So LHS is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 into root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2. Now that is equal to, we have to take each term and rationalize that, because in each of these denominators we have root. So we have to rationalize. Take the first term, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 into its conjugate is 3 plus 2 root 2. With that we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So here into, here also into 3 plus 2 root 2. Then minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7, that into its conjugate, that is 2 root 2 plus root 7. In the numerator also we have to multiply 2 root 2 plus root 7. Now this third term minus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into its conjugate, that is root 7 plus root 6. We have to multiply that in the numerator also, that is root 7 minus root 6. Then this fourth term, that is minus root 6 minus root 5, that into its conjugate root 6 plus root 5. In the numerator also 1 into root 6 plus root 5. And the last term plus 1 by root 5 minus 2 into its conjugate, that is root 5 plus 2. In the numerator we have to multiply that conjugate, root 5 plus 2. Here in the third term it is plus, same as this, root 7 plus root 6. So that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2, that is 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Then that minus 2 root 2 plus root 7 we have to write. Then that divided by 2 root 2 minus root 7, that is 2 root 2 square minus root 7 square. Then that plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 square minus root 6 square. Then minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 square minus root 5 square. Then plus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 square minus 2 square. Now that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square is 9. Then that minus 2 square, that is 4 into root 2 square is 2. Then minus this term we simplify, that is 2 root 2 plus root 7 divided by 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 minus root 7 square, that is 7. Then that plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 square is 7 minus root 6 square is 6. Then that minus this term, that is root 6 plus root 5, bracket you have to put that, divided by root 6 square is 6 minus root 5 square is 5. Then this term, that is plus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square is 4. Now that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 4 into 8. So 1. Then minus 2 root 2 plus root 7 divided by here 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then that plus root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6, that is 1. Then minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5, that is 1. Then this, that is plus root 5 plus 2 divided by 5 minus 4, that is 1. So that is equal to, first term is 3 plus 2 root 2. Second term minus of, so that we can distribute minus sign. So minus 2 root 2 minus root 7. The third term root 7 plus root 6. Then in the fourth term minus is there. So we can distribute. So minus root 6 minus root 5. Then last one plus root 5 plus 2. Here we can cancel 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2, minus root 7 and plus root 7, root 6 and minus root 6, minus root 5 and plus root 5. So that is equal to, what is remaining there? 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2. What is that? 5. What is 5? 5 is the right hand side, RHS. So we have proved. So hence proved. Now the 12th question is, rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Root 3 minus root 2 we can take together. Then that plus 1. Right, like this we can write. Now what is the conjugate of this? That is root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. We can multiply this in the numerator also. So root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. That is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by, here if this is a and this is b, this in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square, that is root 3 minus root 2 square minus b square, b is 1. So 1 square is 1. That is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by root 3 square plus root 2 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2, and this minus 1 is there. That is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, minus 2 root 6. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So minus 1. Then that is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 2, that is 5, minus 2 root 6 minus 1 is there. So that is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 4 minus 2 root 6. Yet there is root in the denominator. So we can rationalize this once more. So that is equal to root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2 root 6. What is its conjugate? 4 plus 2 root 6. We can multiply that in the numerator also. So 4 plus 2 root 6. That is equal to root 3 into 4. That is 4 root 3. Root 3 into 2 root 6. That is 2 root 18. Then minus root 2 into 4. That is 4 root 2. Then minus root 2 into 2 root 6. That is minus 2 root 6 into 2. That is 12. Then minus 1 into 4. So minus 4 minus 1 into 2 root 6. That is minus 2 root 6. Then that divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b form. So a square minus b square. So 4 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. That is equal to, we can rewrite this as 4 root 3 plus 2 into root of, this 18 is 2 into 3 square minus 4 root 2 minus 2 into root of 12, that is 2 square into 3. So 2 square into 3 minus 4 minus 2 root 6 divided by 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4 into 6. That is equal to 4 root 3 plus 2 into this root 3 square is 3. So what is remaining there? Root 2 minus 4 root 2 minus 2 into here root 2 square is 2. Then what is remaining? Root 3. Then minus 4 minus 2 root 6 divided by 16 minus 24. 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3 plus 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2 minus 2 into 2, that is 4, that is 4 root 3 minus 4 minus 2 root 6, then that divided by 16 minus 24 is minus 8. That is equal to, here 4 root 3 and minus 4 root 3 we can cancel. So what is remaining there? 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2, that is 2 root 2, then minus 4, then minus 2 root 6 divided by minus 8. That is equal to, we can take this 2 outside from each of these terms. What is inside? 2 into root 2 minus 2 minus root 6 divided by minus 8. Here this 2 and 8 we can cancel. So what is that? 4. So that is equal to, this is minus of root 2 minus 2 minus root 6. That is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 plus root 6. So that is 2 plus root 6 minus root 2. Here by 4 is also there. So that divided by 4. This is the answer here. Now the 13th question is, if root 2 is equal to 1.4 and root 3 is equal to 1.7, find the value of each of the following correct to one decimal place. First sub question is 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Second, 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Third, 2 minus root 3 by root 3. So let us take the first question, that is 1 by root 3 minus root 2. We can rationalize the denominator. So 1 by root 3 minus root 2. The conjugate of this is root 3 plus root 2. So into root 3 plus root 2. Here also into root 3 plus root 2. So that is equal to root 3 plus root 2. That divided by a plus b into a minus b form. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. That is root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. So that is root 3 plus root 2, because 3 minus 2 is 1. We are given the value of root 3 as 1.7 and value of root 2 as 1.4. So 1.7 plus 1.4, that is 3.1. This is correct to one decimal place. So this is the answer. Second sub question is 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Here also we can write like this, 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into its conjugate, that is 3 minus 2 root 2. The numerator also into 3 minus 2 root 2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by a minus b into a plus b form. So 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into root 2 square is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. That is 3 minus 2 root 2. Because this is 1. We are given the value of root 2 as 1.4. So 3 minus 2 into 1.4. That is equal to 3 minus 2.8. That is 0.2. This is correct to one decimal place. Now the third sub question is 2 minus root 3 by root 3. That is 2 minus root 3 by root 3 into root 3. The numerator also into root 3. So that is equal to 2 into root 3. That is 2 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3. That is 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. That is 3. Then this is equal to value of root 3 we know. So 2 into what is root 3? 1.7 minus 3 by 3. So that is equal to 2 into 1.7 is 3.4 minus 3 divided by 3. That is equal to 3.4 minus 3, that is 0.4 by 3. That is equal to 0.133 etc. Okay. So that is equal to, correct to one decimal place we have to find out. So 0.1. This 3 is not above or equal to 5. It is below 5. So 0.1 only we have to write. So this is the answer. 14th question is evaluate 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. So this is equal to 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5. Now we have to take the conjugate of 4 plus root 5, that is 4 minus root 5. Here we have multiplied that. The numerator also we have to multiply 4 minus root 5. Then this plus 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. Here also root is there. So conjugate of 4 minus root 5, that is 4 plus root 5. In the numerator also we have to multiply 4 plus root 5. That is equal to 4 minus root 5 and 4 minus root 5. So 4 minus root 5 square divided by a plus b into a minus b form. So 4 square minus root 5 square plus this is a into a form. So 4 plus root 5 square divided by this is a minus b into a plus b form. So 4 square minus root 5 square, that is equal to 4 square, that is 16 plus root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 4 into root 5 divided by 4 square is 16 minus root 5 square is 5 plus here also 4 square is 16 plus root 5 square, that is 5 plus 2 into 4 into root 5 divided by 4 square is 16 minus root 5 square is 5, that is equal to, in both the terms 16 minus 5 is the denominator, that is 11. So we can take the common denominator as 11. So what is remaining? 16 plus 5, then minus 4 into 2, 8 root 5 plus 16 plus 5 plus 4 into 2, 8 root 5. So that is equal to this minus 8 root 5 and plus 8 root 5 we can cancel. So what is remaining? 16 plus 5 plus 16 plus 5 divided by 11, that is equal to 21 plus 21 by 11, that is 42 by 11. What is that? That is equal to 3 and 9 by 11. 15th question is if 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5 is equal to x and 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5 is equal to y, find x square minus y square. So let us take this x, we are given that x is equal to 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5. Here the conjugate of 2 minus root 5, that is 2 plus root 5. So into 2 plus root 5 in the denominator. In the numerator also 2 plus root 5. So this is equal to 2 plus root 5 whole square divided by 2 square minus root 5 square. That is, this is equal to 2 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 divided by 4 minus 5. That is equal to 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4, root 5 divided by minus 1. That is 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1. So we got the value of x. What is y? Y is equal to 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5. It is given in the question. So that is equal to 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5. Now the conjugate of 2 plus root 5, that is 2 minus root 5. So into 2 minus root 5 in the numerator also into 2 minus root 5. That is equal to a into a form. So 2 minus root 5 square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b form. So 2 square minus root 5 square. That is equal to 2 square plus root 5 square minus 2 into root 5 divided by 2 square, that is 4, minus root 5 square, that is 5. That is equal to 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5, minus 2 into 2, 4, root 5 divided by 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. That is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1. So we got the value of x as 9 plus 4 root 5 by minus 1 and the value of y as 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1. What we had to find out? We had to find out x square minus y square. Therefore, x square minus y square is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1 whole raised to 2 minus 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1 whole raised to 2. Now this is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square divided by minus 1 square, then that minus 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square divided by minus 1 square. That is equal to, this is a plus b whole square form. So 9 square plus 4 root 5 square plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. Then minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus into minus, that is plus. So now minus of 9 square plus 4 root 5 square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. That is equal to 9 square, that is 81. 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into 9 into 4, that is 72. Root 5 minus 9 square, that is 81 plus 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 9 into 4, that is 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 9 is 72 root 5. Then this is equal to 81 plus 16 into 5, that is 80 plus 72 root 5 minus, we can distribute 81 minus 16 into 5 is 80 minus into minus is plus 72 root 5. Now 81 and minus 81 we can cancel, 80 and minus 80 we can cancel. So what is remaining? 72 root 5 plus 72 root 5. 72 plus 72, that is 144 root 5. So this is the answer. So x square minus y square is equal to 144 root 5. So okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Practice all these questions more and more times so that you will get perfect in that. Soon I will come back with the next video. Till then, bye bye.